Well, hello, beautiful friend. In today's meditation, you'll be giving yourself permission to act more feminine in public. Before we begin, subscribe so we can go on more inner journeys together. Now, go ahead and take in a nice deep breath. And as you exhale, allow your eyes to close down. And with each breath that you begin to take, allow your body to relax more and more. Just breathing in and breathing out, letting all stress, doubt, distractions just melt away from your body, from your mind, and just relax. Just breathing in and breathing out, allowing yourself to connect with your feminine energy and who you really are. Feeling safe and secure in this moment. Just breathing in and breathing out. Now I want you to imagine a brand new day. And this day is an incredible day. So imagine however you want that day to be. Perhaps it is sunny, maybe it's cloudy. Whatever an incredible day means to you is just fine. And I want you to imagine yourself that you have already gotten ready for the day and you feel really good, really excited to go out and about. And you see yourself, perhaps you decided to dress up. Wear a dress, heels, your hair done, your makeup done, or maybe not. Whatever you decided is just fine. And I want you to see yourself leaving your house. You are ready to go out and about. And know that you've decided to stop hiding your feminine side, to stop trying to be or make yourself be the proper man, or stay in your masculine energy, your masculine habits, your masculine ways. And instead, you allow her to be expressed openly, joyfully, happily, gratefully. Your feminine side, your feminine energy and mannerisms shine through and take the lead, letting the masculine energy, the masculine side rest, to be released so that you can express yourself in your femininity, proudly, confidently, calmly. And as you see yourself arriving wherever you are going, perhaps to a coffee shop, or to go shopping, or perhaps you're meeting a friend out for lunch, whatever you're doing is just fine. And you've made the decision, you've decided to stop caring if others judge you. And you give them permission to judge you, especially because some will anyway. And you are taking back the power, giving them permission to judge you, and you just carry on being you, enjoying your day. You fully embrace that you get to be you, and you've decided to be happy. This is all you've ever wanted, to live as yourself, to be feminine, and now you give yourself permission to be feminine at home and out in public, allowing yourself to fully embrace and embody your femininity, whatever that means for you, whatever that looks like for you, you embrace it, you step into it, and you allow yourself to be feminine in public, without the fear of judgment, without shame, without doubt. You just be in the moment, expressing yourself, trusting yourself to be expressed. You are welcoming in the freedom to be yourself, to express yourself the way you want to, the way that feels right. the way that feels natural, the way that feels like your true self, the real you. Reminding yourself that you don't have to pretend to be more masculine than you are anymore. That you give yourself permission to be feminine in public. And notice how this feels, how empowered you feel, how confident you feel to be yourself, to express yourself as you really are. Just embrace it, let it flow through you. You begin to believe that little voice inside telling you that you are beautiful and it's okay to be alive. It's okay to be you. It's okay to be feminine and let others see you and experience you in your feminine. You've decided to express your femininity out in public because you get to be you and you get to be happy. You get to be you. And you let go of focusing on what others think and instead focus on how you feel. And if you are honoring who you are, if you are tapping into your self-acceptance, your self-confidence, and allowing yourself to express yourself and who you are, again giving yourself permission to be feminine in public, to stop hiding, to stop suppressing who you are, and allow yourself to be free, to be you, and to express yourself the way you long to. So now just take a moment watching yourself. Be in the moment as you go out and about, fully embracing, accepting, and expressing your feminine side, your feminine energy, your femininity. And with a breath, step in to yourself, experiencing what it feels like to be you out in public, to be feminine out in public. Watch and experience. Notice how you feel as you interact with others. Notice how you smile, how you lean in when others are talking, how you touch your hair. Even notice how you sit, how you smell the surroundings, the scents in the air, how you laugh, how you have an undertone of playfulness, and knowing that it's enough to just be. So you do that. You just be, expressing yourself and your femininity. Take it all in. Just be her. Let your feminine side be seen, be expressed. Breathe her in as you express her in the world. Feel the confidence. Just notice how amazing you feel now that you've given yourself permission to be feminine in public. And now that you are embracing your femininity when others can see, releasing all of that fear of their judgment of what they think, because you've given them permission to judge you, and you allow yourself to just be. Feeling good, feeling warm, feeling happy. And now just take a moment for thanking her, the feminine beauty within you. Thank her for existing and for being expressed today out in the world. Have gratitude for yourself, for your courage, for your confidence, for your pride. Very, very well. And with your next breath, as you exhale, go ahead and open your eyes, bringing this confidence with you, this empowered feeling, this amazing feeling of the freedom, of the self-acceptance, of the permission to stop hiding and allowing yourself to be feminine in public. Very, very well done. Know that this feeling lives within you at all times. You can tap into this confidence, this empowerment whenever you need it, allowing her to be free, to be expressed, to be seen. I'm Steph. Thank you so much for joining me today. I invite you to take another journey within by watching another one of my meditation or hypnosis recordings. Have an incredible rest of your day. I am sending you endless love. And before you go, I want to remind you that you are enough, you matter, your life is important, your happiness is important, and you get to be you. You get to express your femininity in public. Have an incredible day now, being you. I'll see you next time. Bye.